Welcome to a week in my life as a content creator, toddler mom, all the things. We have a super busy week this week, so I'm going to take you guys along with me and I'm going to show you how it goes. This is a slightly busier than normal week, so I feel like it's good to kind of show you guys that some weeks are like this and some weeks are a little more chill. This just happens to be a not so chill week, so we're going to do it together. But first I got to get myself together a little bit. Today's Monday. I spent my morning doing a little bit of admin work, which I normally do on Monday mornings. I just catch up on emails and messages and I post for the social accounts I need to post for. I set up a really good plan for the week, so that's already been taken care of. I wrote all of my UGC scripts that I need to do today. Those are already done. It's about 11:30 right now. You gonna say hi? Hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
I have my assistant with me helping me get ready, right?
How I what?
Are you helping me get ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. Thank you. Finn's helping me get ready, right? Yeah. So we're gonna get ready. I gotta do my hair. I do not have to put makeup on yet because I have some skincare UGCs to film first. We're gonna film all of our B-roll and then we're gonna do like put makeup on, do our scripts, all that. So I'll show you how that goes.
Mommy,
Yeah?
I tell you what I tell you to say.
I just feel like the key to a really busy week is having a solid plan. And if you don't have a solid plan, it's not that you're gonna fail the week. You're not, because your shit has to get done whether or not you have a plan. It makes things go a lot smoother. Speaking of smoother, we need to fix this hair.
Okay, Mommy.
I love you. So let's talk about my Monday to-do list. I have to film a lot of UGC today because I don't have time to do it the rest of this week because I am too busy. I'm filming all of my UGC kind of kamikaze style today, which is fine. I don't prefer to do it that way. I like to split it up so I don't hate my life, but that's just how it's going today. So we're filming it all kamikaze style. I have to work on some client grids today because again, I'm not really gonna have time to do it until Thursday if I don't do it today. And then I need to schedule some things out for the other channel that I run, which is called The Flight Crew. It's our travel channel that I do with my mom. So if you're into travel, follow us over there. It's theflightcrew.travel on all platforms, but we post YouTube videos here and it's a channel that we're really trying to grow. My mom travels a lot and I travel pretty often with her. I do a lot of the back of house stuff because it's what I do for a living, but she captures all of her travels and we document them together. So it's been a blast and that's on my list today too, to schedule some of that out for the week. Hair's all done. Let's do this. I am getting ready to film here in a second. I'm all dressed and ready. I took a quick lunch break because your girl was getting a little hangry, but I'm gonna review my shot list real quick, so let's see what we gotta do. First up, like I said, is gonna be all the skincare ones because then I'm probably gonna have to go put on some makeup and finish the rest. True Skin brand first. 3 videos for them, skin peptides, so we'll put this on too. And then the last skincare I have is from GU. Application, product shots, texture shots. Easy. Let's knock it out. In case you were ever wondering what it looks like behind the camera, this is what I see. Product and application shots are all done. I need to go put on some makeup and then I will film my talking heads and any other things I have left. Makeup is on. I look like a human being. Now I gotta film all my talking heads, so I'm gonna go do that. There's a lot of them. Okay, it is just after 3 o'clock. I just finished all of my talking heads except for one because I have to change clothes. So it's like a pajama one, so I'm gonna do that all in one shot. I have to film some B-roll now. Oh, I'm almost there. And then I have to go out all of this. It's a lot of stuff, but I told you I was doing this kamikaze style and that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get my quick B-roll of a couple of little deodorants I have to film, and then I have to do a little wellness shot packet. I think that's it. First, I have to film a little unboxing. I have these little cutie pies right here. So we'll unbox them one at a time. There's one. Ugh. Honestly, I filmed a lot. I need a little break, so I'm gonna go edit for a little bit, and then maybe I'll come back and do the B-roll for this drink one, but I just do not have it in me right now, which is fine. I can always do this one tomorrow when I'm like with it, because my brain is fried from UGC today. So let's just go put together what we got, and then we'll see what's left over.
Definitely feels warmer than 78 out here.
I ended up working outside for a little bit because I just needed to break it up a little. I was working on my client grids and I will finish my UGC projects tonight. I just needed to like sit down and power through something different. I just can't work on the same thing for hours and hours and hours upon end. I just can't. I ended up going back to my client grids that I was working on this morning, and that just like gave my brain a little break from the UGC. Drinking an Alani. It's about 6 o'clock right now. This is a new lime flavor. It's pretty good. It tastes kind of like key lime pie a little bit. Right now I'm headed up to the studio that the company that I work for owns. We are doing a big shoot tomorrow for one of our social media clients, and she is one of my accounts that I manage. So going up there right now to set up for her shoot tomorrow, which I'm really excited about. She's such an awesome client. I'm just so excited to see her and to do that tomorrow. I need to charge all my devices when I get home. Let's go set up. It's 8 p.m. I'm still drinking my Alani. I just set up the studio. It looks cute in here. It's not perfect yet, but it will be in the morning. We're gonna finish setting up while she's getting glam. I gotta go home. It's like almost 8:30 and I haven't eaten yet, so I need to do that. Okay, bye. Good morning. It is the next day and I'm on my way to our little photo shoot. Super excited about that. We have a fun day ahead of us. I need some coffee desperately, for sure. Coffee order has been placed. I did not sleep very good last night. I don't know why I didn't sleep last night. I think because my to-do list is just growing. So we're gonna knock it out. We're gonna have a fun day and I'll take you with me. I am finally on my way home. We got so much great content. I am ready to pass the out, but I still have things to do. I gotta offload this content and I have to edit my UGCs from yesterday. So that's what we're gonna do. I didn't realize my pajamas were a problem until I tried these. Okay, I'm gonna try something. I got a new little gadget. Little dinosaur light, it's so cute. Ooh. Okay, it messes with the gimbal a little bit, but it does work. I might try it off the gimbal and we'll see how that goes. I showered, I ate a taco bowl. I'm in a Christmas sweater. I'm very tired. I'm just kind of sitting here editing right now. All those UGCs that I filmed yesterday, I offloaded all of my footage from the shoot today, which took a little bit. So I'm just kind of like doing some back end things right now. But I edited a couple UGC videos. I'm on like my 5th or 6th one, I think. I have many more things to edit tomorrow, but I think I'm on my last one. I'm gonna call it quits for the night and I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, another day, another dollar. We are headed to film a client right now. This group of girls is actually really fun. I have a blast with them every time. However, I'm so tired from yesterday. It's so much fun doing these shoots, but it's a long day on your feet. Coffee is definitely in order for this morning. I need coffee real bad. So we're gonna stop at Starbucks. I also need some food. I need some substance. I might get some egg bites. I don't really know. It's gonna be hot today. It's already 72 and it's only 9:30 in the morning. I don't know if I'm gonna get an iced coffee. I probably should. I would get a matcha, but matcha gives me heartburn from Starbucks. I don't know why that is, but Starbucks matcha gives me heartburn every single time. I'm gonna just do an iced coffee, I think. My Starbucks order, in case you're wondering, grande shaken espresso with non-fat milk. Exciting. I like it because it's low calorie and it doesn't taste that bad. Coffee. Oh my God. Thank you.
Who do you want today? If you want to hang out after,
Yeah.
take whoever you want.
On-site is done. We're back in the car. I actually now have another on-site that I'm covering for someone else tomorrow. And that one is in Fort Worth. So we're gonna get to go to the stockyards, which is exciting. Always a fun time. Another great group of girls. I feel like there is no energy left in my body right now. So what am I gonna do with that? I am going to get Chick-fil-A. I'm currently sitting in the parking lot. I'm a little early to school pickup, like 15 minutes early. So I'm sitting here and I'm gonna probably post in stories from today. When I go film a client, I'll post in stories like a little BTS. These are all social media clients that we work with, and we love them dearly and we have so much fun filming them. Wednesdays, usually we get Chick-fil-A because my husband cleans the house because he's an angel on earth. We get Chick-fil-A, so we stay out of his way. But also I just have gotten in the habit of eating Chick-fil-A on Wednesdays and I can't now break it. Good morning from Fort Worth, Texas. I have my Starbucks, of course, and my little microphone. I'm about to head into another on-site for filming, but I'm a little early. I'm like 15 minutes early. Last night, I don't even remember eating dinner. I think maybe I ate a peanut butter and jelly at some point before I went to bed. I ended up just playing with my kid and going to bed. I'm really excited to hang out with these girls. I haven't seen them in a while. I'm gonna be here the next 2 hours, getting some great content as usual, as we do. And then it'll probably be time for another coffee before I have to drive back and pick up my son at school. We'll see where we end up.
Can you see your hand? Can you go?
Yeah,
Oh, wait, hold on a second.
Go higher.
Put your hands down.
It's so ridiculous. Your hair dangling. Killing me. It is 9:45 p.m. I'm having a little snack before I go to bed. Probably not the smartest idea, but whatever. I just finished up 2 client grids. I offloaded all the content from the last 2 days. What day is it? I'm gonna finish up everything tomorrow. Tomorrow's finally Friday, and I can just knock out the rest in the morning, and then I'm gonna treat myself and go to Trader Joe's because it's been a really long week and I deserve that. This is where I'm gonna end off the night, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, one more thought before I go to bed. I think it's really important when you make your own hours to control yourself, because if you're anything like me, it's really easy to get sucked into the work and not stop and take a break, give time to other things like your family, your kids, whatever you have going on, yourself, important. Also, these Mr. Beast meat sticks are my favorite. I think it's important to bucket out that time for yourself if you make your own schedule. Keep that in mind. I'm not just working like a psychopath all day, every day. You're seeing glimpses, but you're not seeing the whole day. Anyway, I'll see you guys in the morning. Bye. Good morning. We made it to Friday. I truly cannot believe we made it to Friday. It's about 8:40 in the morning right now, and I have a call at 9, so I'm gonna try to whip it together kind of fast. I'm drinking my coffee. Today's to-do list. I have to finish up my client things. I need to submit a couple UGCs, and then I am going to go to Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's is my happy place. We're gonna go get some little treats, snacks, and most importantly, more sweet potatoes so I can shove cheese in them. Change of plans. My call was actually at 11, not at 9, because time differences in different states. We're at Trader Joe's now, so we're gonna run in there and do our thing and then make it back in time for my 11 o'clock call. Trader Joe's was a success. I got some gluten-free coffee cake muffins. That was lovely. I love a good stroll through the aisles of Trader Joe's. That's pretty good. It's many hours later. We're watching some Paw Patrol. I'm finishing up my client accounts and wrapping up my week. Abnormally busy week for me. So I'm glad you guys came along with me. And we're cuddled up on the couch watching some Paw Patrol, right? In Mommy's office.
Yeah.
I love you. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
I'll see you later.
See you later.
Catch you on the next one.
What's on?
Bye.
Bye.